To play Hungry Hungry Hippos, you'll need 2 to 4 players. The game starts with each player choosing one of the hungry hippos. Then, each player puts 5 marbles into the marble release area to the right of their hippo. The youngest player gets to go first. They press down on the marble release lever to release one of their marbles into the middle of the playing area. Then, all of the players quickly press down on their hippo's lever to try to gobble up the marble. Once someone gets the first marble, the player to the left of the first player releases one of their marbles and the game repeats. Keep playing until all of the marbles have been gobbled up. Whoever has the most marbles at the end of the game wins. For a fun variation, have all of the players simultaneously release all of their marbles at the beginning of the game. Whoever gobbles up the most marbles wins.